Hello everyone, in this video we will see MCQs on immune system. Which of the following cells are primarily responsible for producing antibodies? T cells, B cells, macrophages, neutrophils. Answer is B cells. B lymphocytes differentiate into plasma cells which secrete antibodies. What is the main function of white blood cells? Oxygen transport, blood clotting, fighting infection, digesting food. Answer is fighting infection. WBCs are immune cells that protect the body against pathogens. Which organ is known as the site of T cell maturation? Bone marrow, thymus, liver, spleen. Answer is thymus. T cells are produced in the bone marrow, whereas they are going to mature in the thymus before they enter circulation. Which type of immunity is gained through vaccines? Natural active immunity, artificial passive immunity, artificial active immunity, natural passive immunity. Answer is artificial active immunity. Vaccines stimulate the body to produce its own antibodies. Which protein in the immune system helps destroy pathogens? Hemoglobin, keratin, antibody, albumin. Answer is antibody. Antibodies are produced by B cells and neutralize antigens. HIV primarily attacks which type of cells in the human body? B cells, CD4 T cells, macrophages, red blood cells. Answer is CD4 T cells. HIV targets and destroys helper T cells, weakening the immune response. Which part of the immune system provides the first line of defense? Antibodies, skin and mucous membranes, white blood cells, T cells. Answer is skin and mucous membranes. The skin acts as a physical barrier and is the first line of defense against pathogens. What does the spleen do in the immune system? Produces red blood cells, filters blood and helps fight infection, controls metabolism, regulates hormones. Answer is filters blood and helps fight against infections. The spleen removes whole blood cells and helps mount an immune response. Which antibody is most commonly found in bodily secretions such as saliva and tears? IgA, IgM, IgG, IgA. Answer is IgA. Which type of immunity is transferred from a mother to her child through breast milk? Innate immunity, active immunity, passive immunity, autoimmunity. Answer is passive immunity. Which of the following is a function of the complement system in the immune response? Producing antibodies, promoting inflammation, phagocytosis, storing lymphocytes. Answer is promoting inflammation. Which of the following is a primary lymphoid organ responsible for the production of B cells and their maturation? Spleen, bone marrow, thymus, lymph nodes. Answer is bone marrow. What is the main function of the lymphatic system in the immune response? Producing antibodies, transporting oxygen to cells, digesting food, filtering and transporting lymph. Answer is filtering and transporting lymph. What type of immunity is acquired through vaccination or exposed to pathogens? Innate immunity, autoimmunity, active immunity, passive immunity. Answer is active immunity. What is the primary function of the dendritic cells? Producing antibodies, engulfing pathogens, presenting antigens to T cells, initiating blood clotting. Answer is presenting antigens to T cells. What is the role of cytokines in the immune system? Killing pathogens directly, enhancing immune response, transporting antigens, producing antibodies. Answer is enhancing immune response. Which immune cells are responsible for rapid elimination of virus infected cells and cancer cells? B cells, T cells, macrophages, neutrophils. Answer is T cells. Which class of antibodies is the first to be produced during an immune response and often indicates a recent infection? IgM, IgG, IgA, IgD. Answer is IgM. Which cells are responsible for engulfing and digesting pathogens in the human immune system? B cells, T cells, macrophages, natural killer cells. The correct answer is macrophages. Which class of antibodies is primarily involved in the allergic reactions in the human immune system? IgG, IgD, IgE, IgA. IgE is the correct answer. Which type of immunity is transferred from mother to fetus through placenta or breast milk in the human immune system? Passive immunity, adaptive immunity, active immunity, innate immunity. Correct answer is passive immunity. Passive immunity is acquired through the transfer of preformed antibodies from mother to her offspring, providing temporary protection until infant's immune system develops its own immunity. Which cells are responsible for presenting antigens to T cells in the human immune system? B cells, T cells, neutrophils, dendritic cells. Answer is dendritic cells. Which cytokine is primarily involved in promoting inflammation and recruiting immune cells to the site of infection in the human immune system? Interleukin 1, interleukin 2, interleukin 4, interferon gamma. Answer is interleukin 1. Which cells are responsible for antibody mediated cell mediated cytotoxicity in the human immune system? T cells, B cells, neutrophils, natural killer cells. Answer is natural killer cells. Which class of antibodies can cross the placenta from mother to fetus in the immune system? IgA, IgG, IgM, IgD. Answer is IgG. Which cells are involved in the production of antibodies during a secondary immune response in the human immune system? Plasma cells, memory B cells, T helper cells, eosinophils. Answer is memory B cells. Which cells are involved in the destruction of antibody coated parasites in the human immune system? T cells, B cells, natural killer cells, eosinophils. Answer is eosinophils. Which cytokine is primarily involved in the differentiation of naive T cells into effector T cells in the human immune system? Interleukin 12, interleukin 2, interleukin 4, interferon gamma. Answer is interleukin 12. Which cells produce antibodies with diverse antigen specificities in the human immune system? T helper cells, memory B cells, plasma cells, dendritic cells. Answer is plasma cells. Which cells are involved in the pus formation at the site of infection? Neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocytes. Answer is neutrophils. Which organ serves as a reservoir for blood and is crucial for storing platelets? Liver, thymus, spleen, bone marrow. Answer is spleen. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.